Welcome viewers. Today's project is how to crochet this beautiful baby frog of size 6 months to 1 year. You can make it for any size to change the measurement according to your own size. You can use any color as you like. This is first part of baby's frog. In this part, I will teach you how to make yoke part of frog. Okay, let's start. We will start it from 80 chain stitches. You can take chains according to your baby head contour, but have to take even number chains as I have take 80 chains. After 80 chains, make 2 more chain stitches and attach a third chain stitch with double crochet. Look how we make double crochet. Yarn over once and put the hook in chain and yarn over again. Now you have 3 loops on your hook and pass through first 2 loops, yarn over again and pass through last 2 loops. This is called double crochet. Double crochet is 2 times longer than single crochet. Make double crochet at each chain stitches throughout the first row. Now we will attach next color and make double crochet cluster stitch throughout the second row. Second row, start with 3 chains and make double crochet clusters. Look how we make these double crochet clusters. Yarn over once and pull the yarn through chains. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through first 2 loops. As you look, this is a partial or incomplete double crochet. We will not finish this double crochet. Instead, yarn over and put your hook at same chain and pull the yarn. You have 4 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Instead of finishing these double crochet, yarn over again and pull the yarn through same chain stitch. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now we have 4 incomplete double crochet. Now for make a cluster, yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through all the loops together. This is called double crochet cluster stitch. We will make double crochet cluster stitches throughout the second row. After one cluster stitch, make 2 chains, skip 1 stitch and attach at next stitch and make a cluster stitch. Follow this pattern throughout the second row. Attach next color and third row, start with 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet at the space and 1 double crochet at cluster stitch chain. Two double crochet at the space and 1 double crochet at cluster stitch chain. Follow this pattern throughout the third row. Attach next color and fourth row start from 3 chains. And make 3 double crochet cluster stitch at same chain. Make 2 chains and skip 1 chain and attach at next stitch with double crochet and make another double crochet cluster stitch. We will make double crochet cluster stitch throughout the fourth row. Fourth row is similar as second row. Attach next color and fifth row start with 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet at next space. Make 1 double crochet at cluster stitch chain. Make 2 double crochet at the space. And 1 double crochet at cluster stitch chain. Follow this pattern and complete the fifth row. Now we will attach the both side of yoke at the end of fifth row with slip stitch. Now make 3 chains and make single crochet at each chain stitch throughout the sixth row. This opening is for button. You can use any hook, button or make strip for neckline fitting. Sixth row has been completed. Now we will divide the stitches into 4 parts, 2 for sleeves, 1 for front. You can divide these stitches according to your own chest width measurement, because measurement can be changed according to your baby's health. So firstly you can take baby's chest measurement and then accordingly divide your stitches. I have take 35 stitches for sleeves and 47 stitches for front and 47 stitches for back part. Seventh row, start with 3 chains and make 1 double crochet at each chain stitch to reach at the first marker of sleeves. At the marker stitch, make 1 double crochet and attach to the next marker of sleeves with double crochet. This is sleeve part. Now make 1 double crochet at each chain stitch to marker of sleeve. At the next marker point, make 1 double crochet and attach at the next marker with double crochet. This is second sleeve. Now make 1 double crochet at each stitch at the end of the row, 7th. Make 1 more row of double crochet. This is yoke part of our baby's frock. For second part, you will have to watch my next part of this video. Hope you like it. My baby's frock yoke is based on 10 rows. If you want to increase the length of your baby's frock, you will have to increase the rows of yoke. Viewers, if you like my project, please subscribe my channel, share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.